We talk football SA, inform, entertain, educate, promote. This video is proudly brought to you by Fezile Security Services. Mahlazi, President of the Government of National Unity.
In football. Sharp, man.
Sure, man.
We are sharp, we are not sharp.
Yeah.
Actually, Sundowns disappointed us today as a GNU government.
Yeah.
Because we were here to support Sundowns. Because
Really?
we know what is going to happen if Pirates and Golden Arrows can go to the final.
Yeah. What is going to happen?
They are brother and sisters. We know that story. Understand?
So
we don't want other team to give another team cup like they did last season.
Yes.
So as a GNU, we are disappointed. We are disappointed. Understand? And then even on the other side, you must remember, Sundowns is a big team.
Yes.
It's a champions of CAF in the continent, African continent.
Yes.
But how can they fail to beat Golden Arrows?
Golden Arrows Yashaya.
Golden Arrows Yashaya, but it's a small team to Mamelodi compared to Mamelodi Sundowns.
Shapila Kaizer Chiefs.
No, on that one you saw it was a mistake for goalkeeper moving off the line. That one, yes, we saw, but on these champions of CAF, it's disappointed. Even the supporters are disappointed. You can see now at the stadium, there's no one here. They are gone.
You couldn't tell they were CAF champions today.
No.
Yeah.
Today it was just NFD play against NFD.
Yeah.
The standard of football was low today.
Very
so that's why I'm saying we are disappointed.
Yes.
But it's not over for Sundowns. Still one not. They can go to KZN and come back. But we don't know. You understand? Because
that small ground at King's Valley.
no, it's not about the ground because both teams they are going to play on that same ground. So let's put this excuse of ground aside. All those teams are going to play on the same field. To understand?
Yes.
So it's about the quality.
Yeah.
And what you want in football. If you want to win, you are going to win. If you want to score, you are going to score. Understand? So Sundowns today, I don't want to talk much about them. They were poor. Poor.
Yeah.
Golden Arrows was better today. That is what I'm saying. We are disappointed as a government of unity.
Yeah.
Our people are disappointed. The people who bet for Sundowns to win today, they are disappointed. Not me alone.
Yeah.
There are people who bet for Sundowns. Even Pirates supporters, they bet for Sundowns. They are disappointed. Yeah, they lost.
People lost money today.
They lost money because of what Sundowns did.
Yeah.
Understand?
Yeah.
So what I want to say to the support of Sundowns, guys, it's not over.
Yeah.
Let's not push hard on the players and insult them. No, it's not over.
No.
There's still a second leg. We are going to KZN. We are going to score 2-0 and come back.
Even if they lose.
No, they won't lose.
Yeah.
They won't lose. We know they have the excuses of the injuries of the players. The key players are not going to be there.
Yeah.
But at least I think maybe Omukwen will be bad at least to understand. Because yes, if a team is always looking on the players that they are always playing them every now and then. When those players they get injured, then it's a problem.
It's a problem.
Understand?
Yeah.
Because all these players today that started today, they will play all of them. Understand? And people, I don't know, the supporters, I don't know. Why are we blaming the players? Because today Mutiwa was playing much better, but people they were fighting him.
Even when he hits the target.
When he hit the target, they were complaining, substitute Mutiwa.
Yeah.
And the guy was doing the best, guys.
This was before 10 minutes.
It's not over. It's not simple to play football.
Yeah.
If we can say, okay, you at the stand, go inside the field and play and do what Mutiwa is doing. You won't do that.
Yeah.
So it's not easy to play football. Let's support our players. Understand?
Yes.
Mutiwa is a human being. He's doing the best. He's trying. Understand?
Yes.
Today, I think he got 2 shots on target. Understand?
So that's wonderful.
That unlucky ball was supposed to be a goal, but the goalkeeper did the best. Even
and
though
another beautiful header that went over the bar.
Yes, even though the goalkeeper got injured, speedy recovery to the goalkeeper. I don't know what happened, understand? But speedy recovery to him. But to Sundowns supporters, please, let's not be hard on Mutiwa. He's a good player, that guy. He was playing in France. Sundowns, they signed him because of his quality. Let's give the guy a chance to play, to showcase his talent. Understand? So it's not over, guys. Masandawana, I know you are disappointed. I know you came today and say, no, guys, we are going to teach Kaizer Chiefs what they failed to do against Golden Arrows. But it was unfortunate. Golden Arrows were better than them, understand? So it's not over, Masandawana. Let's not insult. Let's not go to the social media and insult Mutiwa. Let's not do that. That guy is doing the best, that guy, understand? So to Golden Arrows, guys, this season so far so good. You are doing well. You are working hard. We can see you are working hard. Understand? Yes, we can banter you and say you are a small team, but practically you are doing the best. You are doing the best more than the big teams. Understand? So to you, Golden Arrows management, the players, keep it like that. Work hard. Understand? We know your team. You don't have big names, but the ball that you are playing, you are playing you like a Real Madrid.
They are building
They are
big names.
building, and they are the small boys.
Yeah.
Understand? And again, in future, what is going to kill Mamelodi Sundowns? If you can check their squad,
Yeah.
lot of their key players, they are above 30 years and
Yeah.
31.
Yeah.
So I think now it's time for Mamelodi Sundowns to rebuild Mamelodi Sundowns again.
Starting
And we forget about Tembazwane.
Yeah.
Understand?
Yes.
We forget about Mukwena, because once a player reaches 30,
Yeah.
then it's not easy to give that energy that he was given while he was 24, 5 years. Understand?
Yes.
So I think now supporters and the management must understand
Yeah.
that 10 years, that key players that they were heavy,
Yes.
now their time is running out.
Yes.
They must come and introduce new players
Yes.
for the future. Understand? Football of nowadays is moving, it's energy. You want that energy.
Yeah.
But if you can't give that energy of running forward, backward, you will never win football.
No.
Yes, you can have football on the field, but if you can't use that football,
Yeah.
what are you going to do?
Yeah.
It's football, you use it, you run. But if you don't have that energy, then you are nothing.
Yes.
So Mamelodi Sundowns is still early in the season. Please build Mamelodi Sundowns again for the next coming 5 years.
Yeah.
About Tembazwane, they are tired.
Yeah.
They must just retire and give the small boys chance to play. Understand?
Yes.
Or else you are going to have a tough time.
Yeah.
And it's not about Sundowns, or even our national team. It's going to
Yes.
have a big problem, because our national team, we're looking at Mamelodi Sundowns. Now Khulisa Mdau is injured. Key
Yeah.
players are injured. Mbogazi is injured.
Yes.
Who are we going to select to cover their position
Very
now?
difficult.
It's going to be difficult for the national team,
Yes,
understand?
yes.
So Mamelodi Sundowns is not over. It's still early in the season. Us as a GNU government, we are
Yeah.
saying go back to the drawing board and come back again on the weekend and score 2-0 and
Yes.
move forward. We want to see Orlando Pirates, Mamelodi Sundowns final.
Yeah.
We don't want to see a walkover of Pirates. We
Yeah.
know what they did.
Yeah.
We know what they did last season.
Yes.
That game of Orlando Pirates last season against OB College, we know what they did. They bought the game.
Yeah.
They win the championship with 2 own goals. We know
Yes.
also that.
Yeah.
So Orlando Pirates is under pressure
Yeah.
in all the competition.
Yes.
MTN, Betway, Kalim Black Label.
Yeah.
They are the defending champion, understand?
Yeah.
So Orlando Pirates, they must prove to us supporters here in Newcastle that those cups they won last season,
Yeah.
they must defend them.
They're not fake.
To show that they are it's not a fluke,
Yeah.
understand?
Yeah.
So they must wear guard Pirates,
Yeah.
understand?
Yeah.
Even Pirates, according to me, is not
Yes.
playing a good football nowadays.
No.
They are still building.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
And now I'm concerned
Yeah.
about their coach. Wadu.
Yeah.
Wadu now is releasing key players.
Yeah.
We heard today rumors that say Masongan is going. We don't know what happened.
Yeah.
Maybe the attitude in the water, we don't know.
Yes.
But what is doing of releasing the key players
Yeah.
is going to kill Orlando Pirates somewhere,
Yes.
somehow. You're
Yes.
going to see that.
Yeah.
Understand?
Yeah.
You can't release Tito Masongan. He's a
No.
number 10, national number 10, that
No,
guy.
you can't.
Now you release Masongani, you put in Umasilela, Umasalesa for
Ingane.
number 10. Ingane for
Ingane.
number 10.
Yeah.
For the big games, what are you going to do?
Ish.
That is why now supporters they fight with the players.
Yeah,
You
and with the
understand?
coaches
Because
as well.
the players doesn't field himself. The
Yeah.
coach field the
Feels the
play.
player.
So as supporters we fight with the player if he's not doing what we want. You
Yeah.
understand?
Yeah.
So those small boys, Abu Mkowodi, Abu Masalesa, yes, they're playing good football,
Yeah.
but they are still growing.
Yes.
It's not easy to play for Mamelodi Sundowns, for Pirates and
Kaizer
Kaizer Chiefs, because their supporters they want you to do
They
more.
demand
They
every
demand every day. You
Yeah.
are tired, you are not tired. They want you to score.
Yeah.
You understand?
Goodness.
So I'm happy the way season is going up to so far.
Yeah.
Even though as Kaizer Chiefs,
Interesting.
yeah, even as Kaizer Chiefs, we are not in the MTN 8 Cup,
Yeah.
but we have a say
Yeah.
because we
No.
are the number one supporters in South Africa. Understand? We have a say in all the competition.
No, that's
You understand? And
That's
even
true.
for us, we are asking our boys at Kaizer Chiefs, what we are asking, please work hard. We
Yeah.
love you, we support you,
Yes.
and we are there for you.
Yes.
You play in Cape Town, you play in Polokwane, everywhere in South Africa.
Supporters
across.
are there.
We are there for you.
Yeah.
Understand?
Yeah.
So please play for us.
Yeah.
Play for the badge. Understand? We
This
love this
beautiful
badge.
badge.
We love even as Kaizer Chiefs. We
Yeah.
want to see the star here.
Yes.
So to our players, we support you, we love you,
Yeah.
and we are behind you 100%.
Yeah.
Please, when you are in the field, you have
Yes.
given a chance.
Yeah.
Please score.
Yeah.
Play football that we want.
Yeah.
Understand? So we are happy for Golden Arrows. As Kaizer Chiefs, we are saying GNU, Mamelodi Sundowns, please win in KZN. We want to see final of Mamelodi Sundowns and Orlando Pirates. Orlando Pirates. We don't want a walkover. We don't want a walkover.
Yeah.
So Sundowns must win so that the ball can be interesting. Because
Yes.
now, it's somehow Orlando Pirates go to the final and Golden Arrows.
Yeah.
And you'll find out the fan base at the stadium is low.
Yes.
It's only Pirates supporters.
Yeah.
So we want to see that 50% of Pirates, 50% of Mamelodi Sundowns at the
Yes.
stadium.
Yeah.
Talking football,
Yes.
watching football,
Yeah.
understand? So Mamelodi Sundowns is not over. Go and fight in KZN. Thank you.
We will be there.
Thank you.
We talk football SA.
And don't go as Pirates to go there and meet at that side. Thank you.
Ah, yeah.